Friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove or delete a user account in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Now I'm currently running Windows 11, so what I'm going to do is just simply go ahead and click the Windows icon here and type user accounts, right? Now by the time you start typing user account, you will see add, edit or remove other account on this device. You want to click on that. And from here, you'll be able to see those other accounts that you have created. Now, you just want to click this little drop down towards the right hand side to expand the options here for the account. And right below the change account type, you're able to find the remove button. So once you click on that, you will be able to delete the account and data there. So just click on that and it will take a moment to delete that particular account that you have on the device. And that's pretty much it, guys. Now you see that the account is deleted and it's no longer there. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Andrew, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much and see you next time.